Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial we will see that how can you stack and band composite in ERDAS Imagine 2015. So for performing this analysis, I have recently shown you that how can you add or import any band in ERDAS Imagine. So first of all, you have to convert your TIFF format into Imagine format. So for performing this, in this analysis I will only convert only one band. And you have to convert all band from TIFF to Imagine format. Just search TIFF from over here and navigate toward your file destination and 6 band. Hit OK. Give a destination to your Imagine output. Hit OK. And again hit OK. Okay, once it's done, close all these tabs and go to Raster tab, and from spectral select layer stack. And from here I have already converted all my 6 band into Imagine format. So just add one by one all these band, just like this. I am using Landsat 5 for this tutorial, so I will stack only first 6 band. Give output destination to your Imagine stack composite. Okay, and then hit OK. Okay, once it's done, close this tab and right click on your layer, open raster layer, navigate toward your folder, select stack, OK, and fit to frame. And from multispectral you can select your sensor, and if I will select a natural color composite, then you can see over here this is natural color composite. And if I will make a composite of 4, 3 and 2, so this is a false color composite. So from here you can increase and decrease the sharpness of your pixels, and from here you can increase and decrease your contrast and brightness from over here. That's all for today. And if you will working on an other sensor like Sentinel or Landsat 8, then you can select other sensors from here, and you can also go with custom and make a band combination of your style. Okay, so in next tutorial we will see that how can you perform radiometric and atmospheric correction on your raster dataset. So many thanks, take care, Allah Hafiz.